Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel. In today's session, we are taking Excel 3A and 3B simulation exam. I will guide you through this exam step by step, making it easy for you to follow, and you can done your exam by watching this video. You can contact me for your assignment, exam quiz, or complete course through my WhatsApp and email. My WhatsApp and email are given in the description and shown on my PC screen. I can do all courses: accounting, finance, math, Excel, Word, PowerPoint, assessment, and many more courses. Please contact me through my WhatsApp and email. Let's start our exam to solve it step by step. In cell C6, create a formula to divide the value in cell B6 by cell B15. Be sure to make the value in cell B15 absolute. Click on cell B6 is equal to then B6 divided by B15. B15. Then press enter. Okay. In cell C6, create a formula B6 divided by B15. Enter dollar sign. Okay, this is done. Now copy the formula from copy C6 down through cell C7 to C14. Okay, copy down the formula C7 to C14. Okay, format the range C6 to C14 with the percent style 0 decimal places. Okay, go to home tab, click on percent style and then 0 decimal places. Okay. First we select this range. Sorry, my internet is slow now. That's why I can't load this. Okay, now create a 3D pie chart using the range A6 to A14 and C6 to C14. First we select these ranges A6 to A14. Then we will select second range C6 to C14. Okay. Then click on insert tab. Then click on pie chart. Then select 3D pie chart. Okay, move the pie chart to new sheet. Name new chart survey result. Okay, click on move chart, new sheet as survey chart. Survey result, new sheet name survey result. Results, then press OK. This is done now. Now moving on. Next question. As the chart title tab customer survey. As the chart title tab customer survey, you can copy this customer survey and you can add this chart title as customer survey. Okay, copy and enter as in chart title customer survey, or you can type customer survey in chart title. Okay, customer survey. Then okay, this is done. The chart title word dot style fill blue as in color one shadow in the first row and the second style. You can select chart title and then click on format, click on word dot style. 16 font size chart title 16 pt. Okay, select 16 pt font size. Okay, this question is done now. Now moving on next question. Next question is that remove the legend from the chart. Right click on this on plus sign and then remove the legend. Deselect the legend. Okay, add data label position in the outside and slice on the pie chart and then format data labels so that only the category name and percentage are applied. Remove the leader lines and close the format data label pane. Okay. Click on data label. Click on more options. First and outside and end position. Then select enter. Click on more option. Okay. Select categories and value categories and remove values and select percentage Okay, and remove value. Okay, category name and percentage is, shows. Okay, and then remove value. Format the data label with bold and italic and change the font size to 11. Okay, go to home tab, click on bold and click on italic and then click on font size and then select font size to 11. This is done now. Now moving on next question. Next question is that use formatted series pen to play the first bevel effect to top of the pie chart with width and height 512 pt. Then apply the same effect to the bottom of the pie chart with the width and height 512 pt. Change the surface material of the chart to metal. Do not close the format data series task pane. You can contact me for your assignment, exam, quizzes, or complete course through my WhatsApp and email. My WhatsApp and email are shown on my PC screen and given in the description. You can contact me easily through my WhatsApp and email. Okay, right click on this plus sign. Okay, right click on this and click on format chart area. Sorry, 1 second. Okay, open format data series. Okay, scroll down and then click on fill series option and click on show. Click on shadow. Click on groove. Click on soft edge and click on 3D format and top bevel is at top of pie chart. Okay, then 512 pt. Okay, width and height is also 512 pt. And select this and also 512 pt and height is 512 pt and flat special effect is that made. Okay, done. This is done now. Okay, now moving on next question. To the pie chart, apply the preservative upper left preset shadow under preservative in the first row. The first shadow style keep the format data series task pane open. Okay, to the pie chart, apply the perspective upper left preset shadow. Click on this. Click on shadow and then scroll down and then you can select perspective upper left. Okay, perspective upper left is done now. First row of the first shadow style keep the formatted series task pane open. Click on sets. Okay, it's done now. This question is completely done now. Moving on next question. Change the angle of first slice to 250. Keep the formatted series task pane open. Change the angle of first slice to 250. You can select first slice. And then you can change angle. Okay. Explore the internet search slice from the pie 15%. Leave the formatted task pane open. Okay, you can explore the internet search slice 15%. Okay, angle of first slice 250 degree, and then the explore the internet search slice by 15%. You can increase this. Okay, set part explanation is that 15%. Done now. Now change the fill color of the internet search slice to the gradient fill present bottom spotlight as 4 in the fourth row of the fourth gradient. Continue to leave the task pane open. Okay, go to the fill color. Okay, then you can select this. Bottom support line. Okay. Format the chart area with the gradient fill using the preset gradient top support as 6 in the second row of the sixth gradient. Okay, format the chart area with the gradient fill using the preset gradient top support line as 6 in the second row. You can right click on this, click on chart area. Okay, then gradient fill, and then select top support line as 6. Okay, apply a border to the chart area using the color black text 1. Click on border, color black text 1. Color is black text 1. Okay, black text 1. Then listen. Close the format chart area pane. Okay, I have done half exam. For remaining question or you want to read for complete course, you can contact me through my WhatsApp and email. My WhatsApp and email are given in the description and shown on my PC screen. I can do all courses: accounting, finance, math, Excel, Word, PowerPoint, assessment, and many more courses. You can contact easily through my WhatsApp and email. My WhatsApp and email are shown on my screen and given in the description. Thanks for watching my video. Please subscribe my channel, like my video. Best of luck.